So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your site ranks in SEO and speed and security using one single tool. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to write tools.pingdom.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to this website and wait for it to respond. Now it will ask you to upload your files URL, your website URL. For example, if I write facebook.com and hit start test, now it will take some time, and while it runs test, you have to wait for some time, and it will gonna provide you the exact statistics of your file, its CEO scores, its loading speeds, and many more that you need if you are working on a project. You can see the results are right there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.